Imagine cooking a delicious meal under the open sky, surrounded by nature, without the luxury of modern appliances. How would you do it? Off-grid cooking isn't just a survival skill. It's an art that combines ingenuity, resourcefulness, and a deep connection with the environment. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of off-grid cooking, including traditional grills, portable solutions, and creative campfire techniques. Discover how these approaches can enrich your outdoor experiences while fostering self-sufficiency and sustainability. Traditional off-grid grills. 1. Pit grills. A pit grill is one of the simplest and oldest off-grid cooking methods. Start by digging a shallow pit, typically 1 to 2 feet deep, in a safe, open area. Line the bottom and sides with medium-sized stones to create a heat-resistant surface and to retain warmth. Build a small fire in the pit and let it burn down to hot coals. Place a metal grate or skewers across the top of the pit to grill food directly over the heat. This method is excellent for cooking meats, vegetables, or even whole fish. 2. Brick grills. Brick grills offer a more permanent and durable solution for off-grid cooking. Stack fire-resistant bricks in a rectangular or square shape, leaving enough space for a metal grate to rest on top. The design can be as simple or elaborate as needed. Once constructed, start a fire at the base and wait for the coals to heat up. Brick grills are highly versatile and can be used for grilling, roasting, or even boiling water. 3. Clay ovens. Clay ovens take inspiration from ancient cooking techniques. These ovens can be built using a mixture of clay, sand, and straw. Mold the mixture into a dome shape and leave a small opening at the front for airflow and food placement. Once dried, the clay retains heat efficiently, making it perfect for roasting and baking. Clay ovens are a fantastic long-term investment for off-grid living and can be used to make bread, pizzas, and slow-cooked meals. DIY portable grills. 1. Recycled materials grills. Repurposing old materials is an eco-friendly way to create portable grills. For instance, a metal drum can be cut in half to form a simple barbecue. Attach legs for stability and place a metal grate over the top for cooking. Similarly, a steel bucket can be converted into a compact grill by adding ventilation holes and a small grate. These DIY solutions are cost-effective and highly customizable for various needs. 2. Folding grills. Folding grills are compact and easy to transport, making them ideal for camping or emergency scenarios. Many designs feature collapsible legs and lightweight grates, allowing you to set up a cooking station in minutes. These grills are versatile as they can be used over open flames or charcoal, and they require minimal storage space. 3. Solar-powered grills. Solar-powered grills offer an innovative approach to off-grid cooking by harnessing sunlight for heat. A basic solar grill can be made using a reflective parabola or a box lined with aluminum foil to concentrate sunlight onto a cooking area. These grills are perfect for baking or slow-cooking food without using any fuel. For convenience, consider portable solar grills available at offgridguides.com, which are designed for efficiency and ease of use in off-grid environments. Creative campfire cooking methods. 1. Stick cooking. Stick cooking is a simple and fun way to prepare food over an open flame. Skewer items like sausages, marshmallows, or vegetables on a sturdy stick. Hold the stick over the fire, rotating occasionally to ensure even cooking. This method is quick, requires no additional equipment, and is perfect for casual campfire meals. 2. Dutch oven cooking. A cast iron Dutch oven is a versatile tool for off-grid cooking. Place your ingredients, whether it's a stew, roast, or bread, inside the pot and cover it with the lid. Place the Dutch oven directly on hot coals and, if necessary, shovel some coals onto the lid for even heat distribution. This technique allows you to cook hearty, flavorful meals with minimal supervision. 3. Foil pack cooking. Foil pack cooking is a hassle-free method for preparing complete meals. Simply wrap your ingredients, such as chicken, vegetables, and seasonings, in aluminum foil and seal tightly. Place the foil packets on the hot coals, flipping them occasionally for even cooking. This method ensures easy cleanup and retains the food's natural flavors and juices. 4. Tripod grills. Tripod grills add versatility to your campfire cooking setup. Construct a tripod using 3 sturdy poles lashed together at the top. Suspend a metal grate or pot from the center using a chain. Adjust the height of the cooking surface to control the heat. Tripod grills are ideal for grilling, boiling water, or slow-cooking stews over an open fire. Building more advanced grills. 1. Rocket stoves. Rocket stoves are highly efficient and ideal for off-grid cooking. To build one, use bricks or metal pipes to create an L-shaped structure. The vertical section acts as the chimney, while the horizontal section is where the fuel, sticks, small branches, is fed. Airflow is directed efficiently through the design, creating a hot, concentrated flame that uses minimal fuel. This setup is perfect for boiling water, frying, or even using a small pan. Rocket stoves are compact and portable, making them a great choice for emergencies or camping. 2. Cob grills. Cob grills are constructed using natural materials like clay, sand, and straw, making them an eco-friendly option. Start by mixing the materials into a thick paste, then shape it into a dome or box structure with an open top. Embed a metal grate in the design for cooking. Once dry, cob grills retain heat well and can be used for grilling or baking. Their sustainability and cost-effectiveness make them ideal for long-term off-grid living. 3. Barrel smokers. Barrel smokers are excellent for slow cooking and smoking meats. Use an old metal barrel and cut out a section to create a hinged door. Add a metal grate inside and attach a small chimney for ventilation. For the heat source, place a tray of charcoal or wood at the bottom. Barrel smokers provide a flavorful, slow cooking option for meats and vegetables, and are a favorite among outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Other off-grid food preparation methods. 1. Solar ovens. Solar ovens harness the sun's energy for cooking. Build a basic solar oven using a cardboard box lined with aluminum foil to reflect sunlight. Place a black pot inside and cover it with a glass lid or plastic wrap to trap heat. Solar ovens are perfect for baking bread or slow-cooking stews and are a fuel-free, eco-friendly alternative. 2. Fireless cookers. Fireless cookers, also known as insulated cooking boxes, use retained heat to finish cooking food. Start by boiling your ingredients, then place the pot inside an insulated box filled with straw, towels, or foam. The trapped heat continues to cook the food slowly, saving fuel and time. 3. Stone cooking. Heat flat stones over a fire and use them as a grilling or frying surface. Once the stones are hot, place food like meats or bread directly on them. This method is simple, requires no extra equipment, and imparts a natural, smoky flavor. 4. Food dehydration. Solar dehydrators are excellent for preserving fruits, vegetables, and meats. Construct one using a wooden frame with mesh trays and a transparent cover to trap sunlight. Proper dehydration extends food shelf life, making it a vital off-grid technique. Off-grid cooking offers a wide range of methods, from simple campfire techniques to advanced setups like cob grills and barrel smokers. These methods provide a unique opportunity to embrace sustainability, self-reliance, and the joys of outdoor cooking. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, camping, or just experimenting with eco-friendly living, there's a method to suit your needs. Each technique brings its benefits, from fuel efficiency to versatility. By incorporating tools like rocket stoves, solar ovens, and portable grills, you can enhance your off-grid cooking experience. Don't forget the importance of proper maintenance and safety to keep your equipment reliable and your cooking sessions worry-free. If you're inspired to try these techniques, visit offgridguides.com for tools and resources tailored to off-grid living. Like, subscribe, and explore our channel for more tips on sustainable lifestyles and off-grid solutions.